Good morning guys, I am back with another video. Today I will be detailing my car engine of my Altroz. Normally when the car gets one or more than 1 year older, the engine gets very dirty, and people like us who are car guy, they want a fresh nice looking engine. So I will show you how to detail a car engine, and the advantages of car engine detailing is that it remains absolutely clean, and if there is any thing like that leakage from oil or any other areas, that is clearly visible once you open the bonnet, and in a dirty engine it is quite difficult. Not only that, a dirty engine attracts rats more than a clean and decent looking engine. So let's detail it. Before detailing, I will show you what are the products I will be using today. So for this I will be using an engine detailing spray or engine degreaser that I have procured from Amazon. Let me show it. This is the Waxpol brand that I have purchased. It is the engine degreaser. There are other brands also, and I will give you the link, and they have a dedicated spray for this. Normally when you visit a workshop, what they do, they spray water with diesel, and diesel is quite detrimental to these rubber parts. आप लोग जब वर्कशॉप में जाके इंजन को धुलाई करते हैं, ये लोग क्या करते हैं, डीजल से इंजन को स्प्रे कर देते हैं, फिर पानी मार देते हैं. किंतु बात क्या होता है, डीजल मारने से आपका जो रबर और प्लास्टिक पार्ट्स है वो हार्ड हो जाता है, तो वो चीज़ नहीं देना चाहिए. उसके बदले में आप इंजन डिग्रीज़र यूज़ कीजिए, आपका वो जो रबर पार्ट्स वो भी सही रहेगा और इंजन भी ऐसा ही चमक देगा. So I will always suggest to use an engine degreaser, which is a much better proposition. Yes, it's a bit pricey, but it lasts long, and you are not going to clean your engine every now and then. Once in 6 months is more than sufficient. My car is already 1.5 years old, and this is the first time I am going for an engine detailings. So that is one. The other product will be some water spray, which I will require, because in this scenario I won't be using any high speed pressure washer. So for that I have purchased a hand spray like this, and some spray wax. After detailing, I will give some shine to this black rubber parts. So for that I will using an all purpose spray, or you can use a Tyre Detailer also. As you can see, the engine is quite dirty and full of dust and all debris. So the first job will be to loosen the dust with the help of a brush. Then I will apply the engine degreaser spray. So let us loosen the dust with the help of a brush, and also I will use a cloth also. Let us blow away the dust as much as possible. If you have a vacuum cleaner, it becomes handy, so we can blow away the loose dust easily. So I am using my home vacuum cleaner. You can use a vacuum cleaner. If you have a blower also, you can use it. It is recommended to shake well before use, so keep it in mind. And now I will attach the spray gun that has been supplied. It has got a good smell also. Spray it. I will cover the alternator belt and the alternator, so that this liquid doesn't get sprayed on it. So for that I have brought a plastic in order to cover the alternator and the alternator belt. Spray generously. There is it has got no harmful any chemicals. It is actually soap based, so don't worry about that. So I have covered the entire area with this particular engine degreaser, and now I will give some 4 to 5 minutes time so that it works well. After that I will spray some little bit of water on it, and then I will try to scrub some areas, and then finally wipe the entire liquid. So let's wait for 4 to 5 minutes. Now I will spray some low speed water. Now with the help of a brush I will agitate all the loose debris after spraying the water. As you can see, अब पानी स्प्रे करने के बाद आप लोग ऐसे ही ब्रश के जरिए आप इसको थोड़ा ब्रशिंग कीजिए, क्यों जो लूज डस्ट है वो निकल जाएगा. To cover every nook and corner, all the crevices, as much your hand goes. Those areas where you cannot use a larger brush, toothbrush gets handy actually. So I am using toothbrush in those areas. Let me apply some additional water so that I can remove the stresses of this chemical, and after that I will just wipe it dry. Let me wipe it dry with the help of a new cloth. As you can see, all the darts are coming up. This is a bit tedious process. आप ब्रशिंग के बाद थोड़ा पानी मारिए, ज़्यादा नहीं, उसके बाद आप आराम से एक कपड़ा देके इसको पोंछ लीजिए. So let's dry it up and then I'll show you again. Now you can see how shine it is already given, and all the dust have gone, and I will recommend this type of cleaning once in 6 months. And if it is very dirty and if you drive in absolute abnormal conditions, you may try it once in 3 months, but once in 6 months is more than sufficient. So you can see the dirt it has collected, and this is the fresh cloth. So I have been able to wipe up the entire dirt. Now I will further dry it with another cloth. Now let's further wipe it dry with another dry cloth. So in order to remove as much water you can, and after that it will be a standard practice to start the engine and wait for another 5 minutes to finally dry it up. And before the last finishing I will apply some spray wax, so in order to beautify the plastic parts and so that they look good. Not only good, these rubber and plastic parts remain soft. Now finally let me blow some air. So there are some areas where I could not reach my cloth, so that's why I will blow some air. So the entire engine has been cleaned, washed and dried. Now I will apply some spray wax so that to beautify these black areas, and also it will give further protection to all this rubber. So let me apply it. Now I will be applying some spray wax. The spray wax has been applied. Now I will try to wipe up some of the areas and the rest will remain as it is. So the protection is also being given and also it is being beautified. तो मैंने स्प्रे वैक्स दे दिया, इसको थोड़ा देखने में भी सुंदर लगेगा और आपको प्रोटेक्शन भी मिल जाएगा प्लास्टिक पार्ट्स के लिए। देखिए कितना साफ़ सुथरा लग रहा है, जैसे गाड़ी जब नया फैक्ट्री से आता है और जब शोरूम से आप लोग डिलीवरी लेते हैं ऐसे ही लगता है आपका इंजन के अंदर। तो ऐसा प्रैक्टिस अगर आप 6 महीने में एक बार करेंगे तो आपका इंजन ऐसा ही रहेगा देखने में। Hope this is how the process you can easily clean up and detail your engine with the help of an engine degreaser and without applying any oil or anything like that. You will have a clean and spotlessly dust free engine and your engine will look like new throughout your ownership. 2 to 1.5 hours may be required depending upon how much dirt your engine has accumulated. So based on that your work will vary. Look at it, how clean it is. Like this you warm up for 5 minutes so that all the water or anything else dries up. So make it a standard practice to run the engine for 5 minutes. Finally it has been cleaned and the process is very easy and anybody can do it, and I will suggest you do it on your own, and there is really a great satisfaction if you can do it on your own. So if you have liked this video, please do subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much and goodbye.